Hey guys, today we're going to be going over the SMA and how to use it when you're using the Robinhood Legend app. Those of you guys that haven't used Robinhood Legend, it's simply a platform for trading. They recently updated their platform. This is how you use it. You're first going to log in. If you guys don't have access, you need that early access, feel free to go ahead and click the first link in the description. But simply put, you drop a watch list over here, and we're going to add our chart right here. And you could put your positions or your account summary or things like that on the right side if you want, or anywhere for that matter. But we're just going to use the chart only today. So I'm going to go ahead and add an indicator. Some people get really confused about the EMA versus the SMA. Just to kind of give you guys a rundown, the EMA is weighted on the most recent movements. Because it's weighted on the most recent movements, it's great for determining the direction and the trend of the stock on the short term to be able to trade with. Now, the SMA is one that you usually use that is based on a moving average, which is the close of each day over the amount of time that you have specified. At the end of the day, the last close divided by the number of days. So if we do a 200-day moving average, and you can choose the color that you want. But again, we added it from the indicators. Now you can see it's just the moving average, right? So based on the closes and based on the 200 days that you've specified, here is what the moving average looks like. And the moving average is great for seeing the direction of the stock in the past. So we could see it was acting as a resistance here. It was bearish. We recently saw with NVIDIA that it crossed above the moving average, and now we see it acting as a support, and oftentimes it will tend to act as a support or a resistance. So we might see it pull back here, NVIDIA, back to where the moving average will be. But it's not as accurate for predicting real-time trends. A lot of times you want to do the EMA because the EMA is an exponential moving average that's heavily weighted on the most recent movements, so you can see the overall direction in the shorter term for your trades. So if you're using the SMA, again, it can help you determine the overall direction, whether something is overextended or maybe it's been oversold. And again, it oftentimes will act as a resistance, or if it's above, it could act as a support as well. So that's kind of the rundown of the SMA. I like to use the 200-day moving average. Again, how you would do that is click up here. You would add an indicator. You would add SMA, and then you can displace it if you'd like. You can make it so that it's not the moving average of the everyday close, but maybe it's the moving average of the highs or the open. But the standard is to use the close. You could also change how thick it is if you want it to really stand out. Or you want it to be dotted or what have you, or dashed. You can do whatever you want, but it's a really great indicator to be able to just look at a stock maybe on the past few months or years. If we look on the 3-month, it's just a really good stock to see that. Like, for example, right here, we could see it was acting as a support. We saw it consolidate. When it pushed below, it was acting as a resistance. You can see it getting rejected by that moving average. So it's a really good way to determine the direction of a stock. As we could see, it just crossed over. So now we may be looking more bullish. And so, yeah, that's how you use the simple moving average. For those of you guys that would like a full breakdown on the fundamental and technical analysis on tech and AI stocks in the stock market, I would encourage you to simply take a look at the second link in the description. For those of you guys that would like to watch me trade live as soon as Monday at market open, it's that second link in the description. I would encourage you to just simply take a look. Right now, we have an awesome discount as we just recently launched StockMate again here in October. And what that means is you can get a great limited time offer coupon code in that second link in the description. If I earned your thumbs up, hit that like button, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.